stands for Economic Opportunities Through Education by 2015. Where are we today? Maybe where do we start? We started by talking about our primary goal being this: how do we help every citizen in Southeast Indiana raise up at least one level from an education standpoint or from a career standpoint? The work that we're doing has changed, and I think it's actually more important now than it was then, because as we come out of this economic downturn, and I'm an eternal optimist, we will. Those of you directly in the manufacturing sector, I came out of that sector, you're certainly wondering when. But I must tell you that the thing that hasn't changed is how we develop the human potential in Southeast Indiana. Because if we can figure this out
what I just went over, it's to point out to me the key elements of it. It is an organization of both manufacturers and educators, and the idea is to focus on availability and utilization of programs that prepare a qualified workforce for today and tomorrow. And the theme of the workshop is about standardization and team communication. But there's another theme in that session of just that there's a lot that different manufacturers can learn from each other.
Tech over the last decade or so, and when they introduced this product in the early February, or this training program, we immediately reached out to them and have begun incorporating that into our Management Supervisory Institute class.
Teacher education. One of the things teacher education is criticized for is the teachers not knowing what they're teaching is leading
to do science education, and that would be throughout the region, and they definitely need this same infrastructure we're talking about. So I think
Brad and I do together, we focus on high school students. C4 serves a 5-county area, 11 high schools. We currently have about 700 students involved in advanced manufacturing, from electronics to project lead the way to welding to machining. Our outreach is specifically based towards young students, and we do a whole series of related activities beginning in elementary school to share with them what's going to be possible.